Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good at home. Welcome to your maths class. And today we'll do maths work. Yes, beta. Today we'll do table of 1. Yes, you have done table of 0 in your previous class. But today we'll do table of 1. And before writing, we'll do one activity. Are you ready for the activity? Let's do it. Yes, beta. Today we'll do table of 1. See how many candies I am having. Do you like candies? Okay, but ये खाने के लिए नहीं है बेटा. Today we'll do activity with the help of these candies. Okay. See, one ones is. ठीक है? One candy will take one candy one time. See, one candy one time. So one ones is 1. But we'll do the table on 2 dots. Firstly, we write 0 here and 1. 1 ones is 1. Okay. Yes, beta. Now I'll take the candy 2 times. 1 time, 2 times, 1 and 2. Okay. So 1 twos are 2. We'll put 0 here and 2 here. Okay. 1 twos are 2. Now I'll take the candy 3 times. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 1 threes are 3. 1 threes are 3. Okay. Now I'll take the candy 4 times. 1 fours are. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times I have taken the candies. Okay. So 1 fours are 4. You have to write like this. 1 fours are 4. Okay. Now beta, I'll take the candy 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 fives are 5. Yes. 1 fives are 5. Yes. Now 6 times. I'll take the candy 6 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times and 6 times. Okay. So 1 6 are 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 6 are 6. You have to write like this. 6. 1 6 are 6. Now I'll take the candy 7 times. 1 sevens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. कितनी बार कैंडीज ली मैम ने? 7 times है ना? तो 1 sevens are 7. Firstly, you have to put 0 here and 7 here. 1 sevens are 7. Okay. Now, 1 eights are. I'll take the candy 8 times, Rajay. 1. Come on, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times candy ली मैम ने. So 1 eights are 8. 1 को अगर हम 8 times भी लिखेंगे तो we'll get 8. है ना? 1 nines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 कैंडीज है ना बेटा, सो 1 9s आर 9 है ना, 1 9s आर 9. नाउ 1 10s आर, क्या होता है 1 10s आर? I'll take the candy 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 है ना. तो मैंने 10 टाइम्स कैंडीज ली है ना बेटा. काउंट देम, कम ऑन, है ना. सो 1 10s आर, क्या आएगा बेटा? 10. So you have to write 1 here and 0 here. So 1 10s are 10. Now we'll revise. 1 1s is 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9 and 1 10s are 10. Yes, beta. Now we will write table of 1. Okay? Table of 1. Firstly, you have to write date 17/5/21. Okay? And here you have to write day. Today is Monday, so you have to write MONDAY, Monday. Okay, and heading you have to put table of 1, and this line you have to leave, and this line also you have to leave. Okay, let's start. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. I have told you ना, हमने किया है ना अभी. यहाँ पे आपने 2 डॉट्स पे करना है, इसलिए 0 1. 1 once is 1. Now 1 2s are, 1 को अगर हम 2 टाइम लिखेंगे we'll get 2. Okay, so 1 2s are 2. Now 1 3s are, 1 3s are 3. 1 को अगर हम 3 टाइम लिखेंगे, 3 टाइम्स लिखेंगे तो we'll get 3. Now 1 4s are, if we'll write 1 4 times, so we'll get 4. So 0 here and 4 here. 1 4s are 4. Now 1 5s are, अगर 1 को हम 5 टाइम्स लिखेंगे तो we'll get, what we'll get, let me know. 5. Excellent. 1 5s are 5. Now it's time for 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 1 कैंडी अगर हम 6 टाइम्स लेंगे तो we'll get 6 candies. 1 6s are 6. Now 1 7s are, 1 7s are 7. Okay, very good beta. Now 1 8s are, 1 8s are 8. Now 1 9s are, अगर 1 को हम 9 टाइम्स लिखेंगे we'll get 9. And 1 10s are, बेटा जो 10 है आपने एक ही बॉक्स में लिखना है, एक ही बॉक्स में, ठीक है. 1 10s are 10. We'll put 1 here and 0 here. 1 10s are 10. Now we'll repeat once again. Come on, speak with me. 1 1s is 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6 are 6, 1 7 are 7, 1 8 are 8, 1 9 are 9 and 1 10 are 10. Now beta, you have to revise table of 1. Okay, oral भी revise करना है आपने and you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, bye bye. Have a wonderful day beta.